Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to how to change Windows 11 taskbar colors. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your settings of your Windows, go to your personalization, go to your colors. After doing this step, click on our customs. Choose your default mode, select a light, make sure transparent effect is on, click on show colors on start taskbar, change and select any color which is want to select. You can also change, select a custom color, click on V colors and you can set according to your need. After that, close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.